Hi viewers, now we are see the blacklist for your Prestashop website. So we know what do means by blacklist. So first going to your CMS Prestashop with your user and password, then you can see list site and scroll down and find out a setting option. Click setting option. After click setting option, you can see find out a, you can see as like a skin. Then you click blacklist IP. When you click this, you can see a some blacklist IP address. This blacklist IP address means who are used this IP, they will not find out your site, totally find out your site. They cannot log in and they cannot log in and they find out your website, their browser, there is any browser. So if you want to access them, then you need to remove AIP so that they can log in your website and they can see your website. Okay, thank you. After that, notice that, remember, definitely remember, after remove AIP, then save. Otherwise it will be not work. Okay, thank you.